Use sterile techniques to remove the stapler, battery pack, and reloads from primary package. Install the battery pack. Align the release tab on the battery pack with the groove on the back of the stapler to insert the battery pack. When loading the reload, make sure that the load indicator mark on the reload is aligned with the load indicator mark on the shaft. Press it to the bottom and then rotate the reload counterclockwise until you hear a click sound. Make sure the load indicator mark on the shaft is aligned with the indicator mark on the reload. At this time, the unload button has completely reset and no red mark will be showed. The reload indicator and angle indicator are on, indicating that the new reload has been installed in place. Press and hold the firing button to close the clamp jaw. Insert the reload into the cavity with a suitable trocar or incision. When using a trocar, it must be ensured that the clamp of the reload fully passed through the trocar sleeve. After entering the cavity, press the opening button to reopen the clamp. If necessary, rotate the clamp jaw by turning the rotation button on the angle button, and the jaws should bend to the left or right. The maximum bending angle of the jaws is 45 degrees to the left or right, and the jaws will lock when the jaw bending button is released. After positioning, press the firing button to close the jaw. When the motor stops running and the angle indicator light goes off, the jaw is fully closed. After the countdown on the information screen reaches 15s, push the safety button to one side. Press the closure firing button to activate the stapler. The motor will produce a sound when started. Continue holding down the closure firing button until the motor stops making sound. If the stapler is completely fired, the cutting knife will automatically return to the original position and the clamp jaw will open. After the firing is completed, check the suturing situation in time. When remove the stapler, the clamp jaw of the reload must be flat and parallel to the trocar sleeve. To remove the stapler from the body cavity, keep the jaw open and slowly pull the stapler backwards. Pull back the unload button and rotate the reload clockwise to unload the reloads. Before replacing the reloads, please note, the safety button is in initial position. The articulation indicator is in the black area. Reverse switch is not turned on. If the cutting knife still cannot move forward during the firing process, slide the reverse switch to ensure that the cutting knife under the cartridge reaches the end of the transection. Please press the reset yellow button after the cutting knife. Return it is necessary to confirm that safety button has been reset to the middle. Manual reset can be used when the cutting knife cannot return. Using manual reset system will cause permanent damage to the stapler. Reset cover with manual override marked on the top of the fixed handle. The stapler's manual reset switch will be exposed. Move the switch back and forth until it cannot be moved. Then, the cutting knife will be in the original position and the reload jaw will be on.